Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm just jumping right into the look. I wanted to try out a new technique. I've been seeing this all over Instagram and YouTube. People start out with a darker color and then blend it out with a lighter color. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using the 35O matte palette, and I'm taking a rich dark brown color and just packing it into my crease with a pencil brush. Once I have that packed on, I'm going to go in with a small blending brush, and I'm using these two orangey brick colors, and I'm going to start to blend that out just a little bit, just on the edge of where I put the original dark brown color. This look is going to be really ugly before it gets pretty, so just bear with me. And I don't normally do cut creases, so you guys are going to be learning with me too. Now I'm going to go in with a orangey color, and I'm going to go ahead and blend all the edges out. I really wanted these to be kind of fall colors. Before I move on to cutting the crease, I'm going to make sure everything's blended with a fluffy blending brush, and this is clean, there's no product on here. So just make sure all your edges are blended out and there's no harsh lines. And then, since I'm not used to using this technique, I kind of had to go back and forth in between the colors and just pack some more on, because sometimes when you blend it out, it kind of fades a little bit. So here I'm just touching everything up. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease with a flat concealer brush with some concealer on it. I have lash extensions, and if you've ever done your makeup with lash extensions on, getting a precise eye look is so hard. So I kind of struggled with this part. You'll see the cut creases aren't perfect. One side ends up being bigger than the other side because it's like that eyeliner thing where one side keeps getting thicker, so you just keep going to fix it, and then it ends up all being uneven. But it's fine, you get the technique. And then here I'm going to go in with a light cream color just to set the base. Once that base is set, I'm going to go in with this small pencil brush, and I'm going to take that warm orange color, and I'm just going to kind of ombre out the edges on the outer corner of that cut crease. I just keep going back and forth until I get the desired effect that I want. So take your time on this. Here I'm going in with another pencil brush, and I'm just going to pack in that darker brown color on the outer edges. And then here I'm just taking a small blending brush and just making sure everything looks somewhat seamless and there's no harsh edges. Like I said, I don't do a lot of cut creases, so I'm still kind of learning. And I went ahead and applied some lashes off camera. Those were the Christina Wispies. And then I'm going in with that orangey brick color underneath the lash line, and just making sure that it all connects from the top part of the eye to the lower lash line. Then I'm going to go in with a brown eyeliner. This is from Makeup Forever. It's their Aqua eyeliners. And I'm just gonna go ahead and smoke that out with the dark brown shadow that we've been using. So I finished the rest of my face off camera, and I'm going in with the MAC Melon pigment and just a small packing brush, and then just spraying that with the Mario Badescu Rose Water. I'm gonna go ahead and use that as my inner corner highlight. I'm just coating my bottom lashes with some mascara. I believe this mascara is from Rimmel. And then for the lips, I kind of wanted to do like an orangey red color. So I ended up going with the color Mama from ColourPop. Super pretty color. And I'm lining my lips with MAC's lip liner in Cork. I wanted to lighten it up and add a little bit more orange, so I went in with Kat Von D's liquid lipstick in A Go-Go, and I just pat that in the center and kind of blended it out. And apparently I needed some water, and this is how you drink water when you've just applied some lipstick. I'm just gonna go ahead and drench my face in Mario Badescu's Rose Water just to make all the powders kind of settle into the skin, give you more of that like dewy look. Of course, don't forget to go ahead and put some highlight onto your shoulders and chest. And this is the finished look. If you guys like it, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and write down below in the comments what you want to see next from me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!